'86 Chevrolet C10. Had it for about 5 years. Pretty much redid everything on it. Got the Ford 9-inch rear end, Halibran Sprint wheels. So I cut the bumper on each end, tucked it up a little bit closer to tighten it up a little bit, make it look a little better. So if you're familiar with a C10, this area usually has holes in it, and it's a lot taller, probably 2.5 inches taller. I moved that whole wheel well up to give myself more room underneath in case I want to go really low. I thought about it. Originally, I was going to put it on airbags and get it down on the ground. But I went static for now. But I don't have any issues with the wheels rubbing or anything. Got plenty of room under there. So this is a 5.3. It's had forged pistons put in it with the rings gapped for boost. Got a Nick Williams throttle body, VS Racing 7875 turbo, trick turbo log manifold, precision wastegate. Got the Holley low mount accessory drive. So right now it's got 12 pounds of boost. You're running down the road, decide to put your foot in it, you better hang on. She will come alive. She ain't no joke. Running the BTR Stage 2 turbo cam. We got vintage air. Drives pretty dang good. So there you have it. My square body project turned out really nice. It's got about 450 miles on it. I'll probably put a few more on it, but I believe I'm gonna call it done and put her up for adoption. So if you love square bodies, hot rods, you got deep pockets, this might be the one for you. Catch y'all next time. See ya.